Vlogging ka?
I'm vlogging.
Hindi, tumisili.
Possibly August 2. I don't know, maybe. And we are at ATC and we are getting a bike for the gym. That's pretty much it. We already went to Robinsons. I've been in Robinsons for 3 days straight. We're just waiting on mommy.
Punta na tayo. Ayos ba?
English.
Ayoko, Tagalog tayo. Nasa Pilipinas tayo.
No, not allowed.
Why? Why it's not allowed?
Because they can't understand you.
Ah, I see. We're just roaming around. Hi. Pogi. Tito Ibe.
Mom. Look, he's so pretty. We're getting popcorn. Sour cream. Because it's my favorite. And extra powder. We're gonna claim the popcorn now and we have to wait.
Para you get a discount. Register sa ayan, ilovepakers.com. Then you show them the confirmation. They will give you a card.
I'm already snacking on the popcorn because I'm already hungry and this bike thing is taking so long, so you gotta wait. So, pangit ng angle. Tapos maya, nakapagtapos na. Buwasang buwasang So we just got out of the restaurant. Tomorrow we'll be picking up Daddy from the airport. Okay, we're rushing at the moment because Toys R Us might be closing. We got it. Buti na lang hindi pa close.
Sakto. Ayos.
And you really want to bring that way? Si Tito wala nang ginawa kundi magpapogi.
Walang alam na po.
Ngingitian na, tapos gumagano na. Tapos pinapakita yung dimple niya.
Yan, lumalabas talaga yan. Automatic.
Automatic. Yun na, kain na akong popcorn. Bye-bye!
Please, thank you, my dear.
Yung ko na-upload yung picture.
Yan, para may binggi tayo. Garit, kinulat ng garit. Ang maga? Hindi ah. Bigat daw ang mangga.
Ah, meron na.
Natin pagsubo niya yun.
Pretty. But anyways, we're going to the car.
Yeah, wala na.
Hindi, diretso pa. Shortcut ka.
Saan ang harap?
Doon sa labas.
Yan.
Nyem!
Nyem!
Iba pa ba yan? So, nagmasahe sa akin?
Yan yun.
Ayan yun. Maano naman siya, hindi. Hindi ako nagtuwa.
Nyam! Tawa-tawa si Bing eh.
Pogi ng driver natin. Yeah.
Saan? Hindi ko makita eh.
Ay, ito, GoPro.
Sabi nga ni Erin Bay, ano kuya, biling ko na lang yan. Bili ka na ng libag.
Ano ka na dun yan?
Nakuha ko siya half price.
Kasi.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends.
So, we're at Container Tour. So, we're here. And Mommy and Tita Kat already went down kasi they're gonna look for food na. And I'm here on the table because there's a lot of people. I'm really hungry. I didn't eat lunch today.
I'll leave without any reason.